Hey YouTube, I'm not sure who needs to see this or who even cares, but I thought I would get on here and demonstrate to you how I build my lashes using any mascara. I am not going to say any brand names because it can be done with anything. I don't know if this is a trick or not, but I know it works for me, and I know I've been doing this for years without trying to expose or show any brands. I use all kinds of different kinds of mascara, as you can see. So this can work with any of them. I do not get any eyelash treatments. I want to start with that. What I've done so far with my makeup today, I put on a bit of concealer, as you need when you're over 50. I put on some powder. I have filled in my eyebrows. And I put on my lip stuff that I'm addicted to. I do not get any lash treatments. These are my natural lashes. They just have a little coating on them, that's all. So I'm gonna share with you how I do it. Are you ready? All right. And this is gonna be hard because I'm using my right hand on my left eye, and I wish I reversed it this morning. I didn't know I was going to make this video to show you I can do it better with my right hand on my right eye. But anyway, here we go. I'm not trying to, like I said, show any product. All right. So I like to start by coating all the lashes. Remember, I'm not a lefty, so this is harder. But it works either way. And then I'll go from the base and then I'll go up. And then I like to kind of ball up the corner lashes. And then I'll maybe just swipe through again. I might rotate the brush a bit to get a little more mascara on. Now, did you see the before? I hope so, because I can't redo this, at least not today. I might redo it another day, I don't know. See how I feel about this. And voila. My eyes are a little watery because I had my eye open the whole time. Let me try and let it settle and move forward now for you. They kind of match, don't they? I think I did a better job on my right one, especially with the corner lash, how it swooped up, than the left. Let me see if I can add that swoop. Again, it's harder with my left hand. I hate going back and using mascara on drier lashes because they, of course, have dried since I was applying this. Okay. Oh, they poofed up a little bit right before your eyes. They have poofed up a little bit. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner next. I don't know who cares to see this part, but do you see that? That's natural lashes, ladies and gentlemen. I don't get any lash work done. And you can do it with, like I said, any brand of mascara, as far as I know. I do love this cheap drugstore eyeliner. Oh my gosh, look at the tip here. For those of you who care to see more. Now, hold on, let me just pause this for a second because I might have to back out of this part. Hold on. Okay, so just in case I have to cut there, I'm gonna show you now how I put on my eyeliner, I should say. I'm not showing any brands. I love this tip. Woo! That is a big, long triangle right there. And my eyelashes, this kind of enhances the lash. And I am not a makeup expert by any means. This is just trial and error. I usually actually like to put eyeliner on before my mascara, but I'm doing it backwards today. Right there. Where did I want my tip? Right about there. I like to press it and kind of go in a bit. Woo! And then on this side, I don't understand how some women can get them perfect and symmetrical on both sides, and men. I can't do it. Women, men, whoever, like liner. Men actually do a great job. And then I kind of try to mimic the exact same thing I did on the other side. I press it down a bit and go in a bit. Watch, it's gonna look different. I tell you, I got a wing there and not there. I always do this. Then I try and put more of a wing on that side and screw it up. Oh. Houston, we might have a winner today. Maybe I need to put my makeup on in front of the mirror more often. And I just got my hair braided. Just got my hair did. This is not a makeup channel by no means. I just wanted to share my little tips with you. And hopefully I can help somebody else who thinks they need it. So yeah, no filters. I forgot to mention, I am not using a filter. This is me, myself, and I. At the time of this filming, 52 years old. Mwah. I was gonna go, mwah, but I'm gonna go, mwah. Thanks for watching. If you did enjoy this vid, please like and subscribe. I will appreciate every sub and every like. And feel free to comment. I do read them all and I do like to respond. Take care.